Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to choose a good product to promote on Clickbank. I'm going to be giving you 5 criteria to picking those products. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews on Clickbank products just to let you know which ones are legitimate, which ones are not. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload my daily videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and talk about, again, how to choose a good product to promote on Clickbank. There's 5 criteria. Of course, you're going to create your own Clickbank account. If you don't have one already, it's completely free. And then you want to go to the marketplace. I'm going to be mainly talking about make money online because that's my niche. But the first thing that you want to do is sort by gravity. So you want to have at least 50 or above, and that means that it's selling well. That's the number of affiliates that have sold in the last month. So we'll go here and we're going to go under e-business and e-marketing, and that's the make money online niche. So you can see also you want to look for the dollar per sale. This one that comes up first is a super affiliate system, and that is John Castani's product, and you can see the average sale is $450 and the gravity is 63. So right there, that fits the criteria, but you want to have it. The second thing is the popularity, is you want it on the first page of the search. So you can see that this right here is already set to popularity. So all of these that are on the first page here meet those criteria. The gravity is, again, more than 50 on this one. Clickbank University, this one's 38. Auto Chat Profits, the gravity is 73. That's a brand new one out. Okay, so you're going to look again at popularity. Make sure it's on the first page of the search here. Gravity above 50. The dollar per sale, I would have it be at least $25 or more. Then this I think is really important because, like I said, I do a lot of product reviews. So even though these are on the first page here, I would not recommend promoting all of these. This one especially, Explode My Payday. I mean, it has a good gravity, good sales. The reason being is that I just don't feel like it's a good quality product. And if you're going to just sell something to sell it, you're likely going to get a lot of, if you do sell it, get a lot of chargebacks, get a lot of returns, because people get in there and they'll realize this is just not a high quality product. So I would look at the sales page, make sure it looks believable and legitimate with real testimonials. You can tell if they're paid actors in the sales video because nobody talks like these people. They're just like, it just doesn't sound like a believable thing. And ideally, you would purchase the product and see if it is a good product before you promote it. Because again, if it's not, you're going to get a lot of refunds. And that's not good if you're doing paid ads. So you're getting these sales, but then you're getting refunds. So I would definitely recommend you take a look at it, buy it, take a look at the product, because some of them I get inside and it's just it's not a good quality product. I mean, the sales page, same thing. If the sales page looks just too hypey, and I wouldn't promote it. So the fourth criteria is that you have a good affiliate page with promotional materials. So we can tell these here, like John Castani's, look at his affiliate page. You can see that he has some really great promotional materials here. Okay, so this one here is a really, really good product. JV materials, let's see. What I look for is you look for banners, you can look for email swipes. So you're sending out, you're getting people to your landing page, and then they're getting on your email list, and you want swipes to load up in your autoresponder so that they continue to get messages after they opt in. Let's just scroll way down here and see. I'm sure they just have a lot of testimonials on here. I'm sure that they do have email swipes. I mean, they can all, they're also talking about all the different, actually click here and then you'll get your email swipes. So that's really important with good promotional materials. Let's take a look at Clickbank University. I know that's another good product to promote. And let's just see here. Okay. So you can see they have email swipes here. And that's really good because you don't have to try to figure out what you're going to write. And these are all really high converting email swipes. Okay, and then the last criteria is that there's a good JV manager so that you can email them and ask them like what is working now, what traffic sources are working, what images, what demographics are working for the top affiliates, and you can also ask for landing page examples so that you can have an idea of what's working now, so you're not just trying to promote it blindly, and they should be able to answer those questions for you. So you can see right here, Clickbank University, there's the affiliate manager right there, Megan Mann, and here's John Cristani's affiliate support contact. So those are the criteria that I look for to promote products on Clickbank. I'm going to give you some examples of some products that I've reviewed that I think that are really high quality, that convert well. The first one, of course, like we talked about, was John Cristani's super affiliate system, the Clickbank University. And then there's a couple that I just recently reviewed. So the Ecom Cash Crusher doesn't have the gravity yet, but I felt like it was a good product. Let me show you. It's a product that is teaching you how to drop ship on Shopify. Oh, you can see they don't have a JV manager here though. But let's see, so gravity is only 30, but that's only because it just came out. But you can see they do have email swipes here. But I just felt like the sales page was good. The quality of the product once I got inside of it was good. Okay, here I think there's the JV support. And then this one I just reviewed yesterday, Profit Injector. And I actually am promoting this right now. I just got a solo ad, it hasn't run yet. But the Profit Injector, let me show you that one. But you can go back to my review yesterday. But it was basically a product on how to use YouTube for free, and people have videos that are getting a lot of views and they really don't have any idea that they can monetize that video, like they don't have any affiliate link in the description. So the product is about how to find those. There's software in there how to find those videos. You don't have to go out and search for them yourself. And then how to contact the owner of that video and do a JV partnership where you can split the profits. So let's look up Profit Injector. But I thought once I got in there, there's a lot that I could use, because they also talk about how to build up your YouTube channel and get views on your videos. So that it was really a good product, I felt. And the gravity's already 61 and it just came out. Sales average sale is $45, and they had a really good email swipes here. And he's a legitimate person, Jamie. Okay, so Jamie Lewis. So you can see all the email swipes in here, and they have a affiliate contest going on right now. So those are, again, the criteria, the 5 criteria that I would look for, and these are some examples of ones that you may take a look at to promote, because these do meet all the criteria. Okay, so that's it, the how to choose a good product to promote on Clickbank. I hope you guys found this of value. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure you leave that in the comments below. And again, if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure you click the subscribe button. Also, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can check that out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.